The forest gives us clean air, clean water, and stable climate. Sun bear is such a rare and little known species. They are the smallest of the 8 living bear species. They spend a lot of time on tree. They can climb tree all the way to the treetop, 40 or 50 meters tall. We do animal rescue, education, research, rehabilitations. The biggest threats of the sun bears are actually poaching. The demand for bear meat as food, for bear's body parts as traditional medicine, and the demand for bear cub as a pet also increases. Over the last 50 years, many places in Southeast Asia have gone through a series of deforestation. Palm oil production definitely caused a direct impact on bears population, because human population grow, we demand for more food, we demand for oil products. So my vision is we have to save our forests and wildlife while we still can. Everybody need to take part. It only works when everybody have the same heart and work closely together to achieve that goal.